RIME stock is super interesting. In this 1 minute video, I'm covering whether it's buy or not for me, so watch till the end. And looking at Algorhythm Holdings, overall the price just keeps melting and melting and melting. 5% increase although from Friday. It's kind of intriguing, so let's look at it. It doesn't just begin from here. It ultimately, like I got plus 4R win. I'll show you exactly back when. Back 9th of January, like this year at the beginning of the year. You know, 16 cents is where we're sitting at, and then boom, it fell down. We went as low as 2, so this is like a very good dub or W. And then I just wanted to see the price still melt. It kept melting and melting. Next for me, like honestly, more like than now, we're just gonna keep melting. Can you believe it? In order for me to continue to be bearish, the price. I mean, if it gives me the rules, cool. If not, it's also cool. But when am I gonna be bullish? For me, at least if it starts breaking above 4 cents, yeah, 4 cents gonna be the number with a full candle close. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.